Hello everyone. So the question is find the values of k for which the line this parallel to y-axis, parallel to x-axis and passing through the origin. First of all, understand this is the equation of a line. Why it is? Because we know that the general equation of line is y is equals to x plus c. We have something as y. So in multiply, we had 4 minus x square. We have something in multiply with x, which is this one. And we have c also, which is this one and equals to 0. So this is the equation of line and it is given also. Now, everyone, we have to find out the value of k. So the first case is that the line is parallel to the x-axis. So let's move. I'm writing the equation first, okay? So k minus 3x minus 4 minus k square y plus k square minus 7k plus 6 is equals to 0, right? So let's move for the first case. What is the first case, everyone? The first case is that it is passing through the x-axis. So let's make the graph. This is the xy plane. So the first case that we have is that the line is passing through the x-axis. So passing through the x-axis, parallel to the x-axis, right? About passing through the parallel to the x-axis, right? So parallel to the x-axis means something, maybe line is here or maybe line is here. Both are parallel to x-axis, okay? So I am taking here, okay, the above one, above than the origin. So this is x and this is y. So let's say this is the line. This is the equation of this line. Okay, let the line is L1. Now this is the origin 0, 0. Now everyone, you know that when the line is passing through the y-axis, so there is a point here. So this point is on the y-axis. When point is on the y-axis, x is 0 always. And this is something, let's say as b. This distance is b, right? Now we know that x is 0. When x is 0, so the number that is in multiply with x, that is also 0. So for k, say, if I'm saying k minus 3 multiply x is equals to 0 because the coefficient of x is 0. So the coefficient is also 0, equals to 0. So k is equals to 3. So for the first case, k is equals to 3, right? Now for B part, what they are saying that the line is parallel to y-axis. So let's say the line is parallel to y-axis. On this side I'm making, you can make on the left-hand side also, it's your choice. When the line is parallel to y-axis, it means line is passing through x-axis and this point is called as a comma 0. When the line is passing through x-axis, the point that you have on the x-axis, here y is 0. So y is 0 means the coefficient that you have in multiply with y, that is also equals to 0. So can I say that this equals to 0? It means this is equals to 0. So it's 4 minus k square is equals to 0. So k square is equals to minus 4, minus minus cancel. And the square root of 4 is plus minus 2. Because the square of 2 is again 4 and square of minus 2 is again 4. So you have two values of k, which is plus minus 2. Now the third case is when the line is passing through the origin. So let's say this is the line. Okay, increasing you can make a different way also. Okay, you can make like this also. It's your choice. When the line is passing through the origin, it means this point, origin, the point of origin is also on the line. It means the x is 0 and y is 0 both. So it means this completely 0. This is completely 0. You are left with this. So for case 3, you are only left with k square minus k plus 6 is equals to 0. This is the quadratic equation, everyone. Now, when we have the quadratic equation, we have the quadratic formula to find out the value of x, which is minus b plus minus b square minus 4ac over 2a, or you can do the middle term splitting if you can do. This is easy for me. So minus b is negative 7 plus minus b square, which is minus 7 square, which is 49 minus 4 into a into c, which is 1 into 6, which is 4 multiply 1 multiply 6 is 24. 4 multiply 1 is 4 and 4 multiply with 6 is 24 and 2a, that is it. So 7 plus minus 49 minus 24 is 25 and the square root of 25 is 5, right? So I'm directly writing it. So the value is this one. Now everyone, if I will solve it for the plus 1, so 7 plus 5, which is 12. 12 over 2 is 6. So one value of x is coming 6. And if I will take negative, so 7 minus 5, which is 2, and 2 by 2 is 1. So I got two values of x, which is 6 and 1, right? So this is the first case, this is the second case, and this is the third case, as simple as that. So yeah, thank you.